Where do you suppose I am? Yes, my favorite place. Well, one of my favorite places, at my mother's. Yes, I'm going to pick some weeds today. And I've got a whole honeydew list of things I got to do. I've got to go to the store later on. But before that, I'm just going to kind of show you around a little bit. You know, I'm not doing anything hard today. I'm just doing some small types of things that bothered her, things that she wanted to have clean, like this whole garbage area where her bins are. There was bird poop all around the top. She wanted all that cleaned off, and see, now I've got to sweep up and clean up all this kind of stuff. She just wants it all kind of kept up a little nicely, and there was bird poop on here. There was bird poop on here in quite a few different spots, and I got that off yesterday. And speaking of bird poop, where else was there bird poop? You know, on stucco, see how this stucco is smooth on the top, and it's textured. I mean, it's textured everywhere. You can have birds can just perch up here. Like, see up there, there's some bird poop right there. See, right there, because it was sitting up there. But let's look at an area here. Here's a nice little patio area. And see this? Look at this. I mean, all the way up there. There's no place for a bird to land. But they just grab onto the stucco, and they've been pooping on there. So I've got to clean all that stuff off. Here's a little wheelbarrow that's been sitting here forever, and she wanted it thrown away. Look at that. See all that bird poop that's down in there? I'm gonna have to clean all that up. She wanted this thrown away, and I said, no, come on, it's old, but I can fix it. I'm gonna do some stuff. Here's the handle, and I told her, I says, I'll just put that on there and glue it on there. See? Like that, and see how it wobbles off. I'm gonna look at this whole thing and fix that all up. Here's a screen door that looks kind of dirty, but it's actually most of it is rust if you look at it real close. But you see how on here it looks all dirty. Most of that's rust, but I told her I would clean that with my simple green and a brush and stuff. And you know, if I really got energetic, I could get some white spray paint and spray that, you know, mask it all off and stuff. But see, speaking of bird poop, oh man, here's some right here on top of here. See there? I'll get that. And here's more bird poop up along in there. I mean, it's not going to go away unless somebody takes the time to clean it off, and that's another reason why I'm here. Just gonna do it. When's the last time you did something for your mother? See, it's all up in there again, and it's over in that corner. See? Well, it's not hard, but it's something. It's something I'm gonna get done for her. I've got to get the big tall ladder out. See, there's all the stuff right there, right behind here. There you go, the bird poop from there, and then it runs on down there. So that's on my list. Oh, I've got a water outlet here. Look at this. When you turn that on, see how the water sprays all over the place? Look at that. I told her I could fix that. Oh. Well, that's supposed to happen because there's a little thing that's screwed on here first that takes the water pressure off there. I don't know why they used to require that. Oh man, now my lens is all dirty. Let's see if I can wipe it off. How's that? Is that any better? So I'm gonna have to take that off, shut the water off, and this is female threads, and there's male threads on that. I'll have to hang on to that, shut the water off. I've got a handle for that. You know, some people think, oh yeah, you can take this top off and and get some parts and fix that. Why do that? This thing's 15 years old. They only cost a couple dollars at the store. And replace it. So I'm going to do that. One of the things I'm going to do out here in the backyard. And I've been pulling weeds out of this grass, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. And I pulled out, a huge bucket of weeds the other day all along the edge here. And I mean, are they going to grow back eventually? They'll probably, some of them will grow back, but if I don't get them out now, who's going to take them out? The landscapers, they just mow the lawn and they don't get them out, and then they pretty soon they take over. And I was going to show you a big one, but I think I did such a good job, I don't think I can show you any. But today, let's see if I can find a. Here's some remnants of one. See, here's a little bit of one, but they were just crawling all over here. Huge, big ones that kind of stuck out. But see these here? Look at this. Look at that. You see those? See how this one's sticking up? This little one right here. Where did those come from? Are you kidding me? I gotta pull each one of those out like that? Well, if I don't do it, who's going to? And I have no idea what kind of fertilizer to get, but see, you can see where they're at. All along in here, right in here. I took out a whole section right here the other day, and over there the day before that. And I'm gonna spend I don't know, a couple hours getting these out right here. The landscaper guy, the lawnmower guy, he's going to be here on Friday. Today's Thursday. See, and here's some more. Look how big this one is. Look at that. Just pull it up by the roots. If I don't get them now, I won't be able to. See how many times he's chopped it off for mowing. If I don't get them, nobody's going to get them. So, yep, I've been out here. Last year I was out here, and she had big clumps of a big weed of some sort all through here, and I took out buckets of them over a 2 or 3 day span. And now she's got all these. I've never seen these before. They're just regular weeds of some sort. Look how big that is. Hey, not hard to do. I don't want to. I guess I could take one of these to the hardware store, take a picture, and ask 10 different people and get 10 different guesses on which fertilizer to get, and then get the fertilizer, and then come out here and put it down and wait for weeks to see if it's going to come off, and when it doesn't, go back to the store and get some more fertilizer and blah de blah de blah. Or I can just pull them out. See? And I don't know, not a whole lot of things I'm going to be doing out here. I can look around the outside. I see the one odd weed. I can pull that out. This stuff keeps Motha happy. And I'm here for a few days. I don't know. Look at this stuff. It's starting to die here. Maybe the sprinklers are bad. Maybe there's a drip irrigation pipe right in here that got plugged up. I may have to look at that. And speaking of irrigation, see here how the grass kind of slopes. Well, the guys had the sprinklers on for about 15 minutes a day, and here she's got 3 drains in the grass. See, there's one there. Here's another one, and here's another one. Then there's a pipe that goes out the side of the house and goes all the way out by her mailbox by the front, and that water keeps coming out of that, and she thought she had a leak somewhere. I kept trying to tell her, hey, your sprinklers are going on too long. because that water keeps coming out of that pipe. And so we've got the sprinklers off right now for the last couple of days, and see, you can still see there's water right here, and it's coming out of this. This is full. This is full of water still. See there? Look at that.